Have you ever heard someone say, "May the force be with you"? It's one of the most famous lines in movie history. But what does it actually mean, and can you use it in real life? Let's find out. May the force be with you, meaning and everyday use, famous line from Star Wars. Means wishing luck, success, and protection. Let's learn how to use it in daily life. Origin. From Star Wars movies, used before challenges or missions. The force equals mystical energy giving strength and courage. Means, I hope you have power and success. Meaning in simple English, good luck, I hope you do well, I believe in you. Playful and dramatic, but can be used in real life. Example, before exam, may the force be with you. Fun cultural impact, even non-fans know this phrase. Part of pop culture worldwide. Star Wars Day, May 4th, may the 4th be with you. How you can use it. Used to encourage friends, family, coworkers, not formal, works best in casual settings. Role play, job interview, may the force be with you. Closing, more than just a movie line, it inspires and motivates. Comment, what challenge do you have coming up, and remember, may the force be with you.